Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a really cool Unity tool called Ghost Trail Effect. This awesome plugin lets you easily create stunning ghost trail effects for your characters or any moving objects. Whether you're making an action game, a parkour scene, or just want to add some dynamic visual style, this tool makes it super easy to achieve. All you need to do is attach the script to your character or model, and you'll instantly see the ghost trail effect in action. It also allows you to tweak a variety of settings, like duration, color, transparency, and materials, so you can create all kinds of unique trail styles. Here are some of its main features. 1. Very easy to use, even for beginners. 2. Highly optimized and runs smoothly. 3. Fully customizable materials and script parameters. 4. Comes with complete documentation for quick setup. 5. Includes a clear and fully working demo scene. I've placed the purchase link for this Unity asset in the video description and pinned comment below, so feel free to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, it really helps me a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.